Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be tasting this O15 mango. This is not one we grew?
No, we don't have a tree.
Okay, I couldn't remember which. We got a bunch of now that have some M4s and a P something.
P22s.
Yeah. I like it when they give them names because it's easier to remember. Anyway, so you can tell the story of O15.
One of our customers, I think his name was Cody. If not, I'll put it down. He brought this to us. He had asked to trade some mangoes with us.
Little to no smell.
And he wasn't sure if it was picked early. I think he was getting ready to go out of town and grabbed one off his tree. I remember liking this mango and I had it in the past, but
Feels like it has some fiber to it a little bit, at least near the skin.
that's pretty good. It's really sweet when you lick your lips afterwards. To me, it's got a little bit of lemon and a little bit of coconut and a little bit of
Got some resin to it.
resin. Probably more resin than the coconut and the lemon, but good.
The resin's pretty strong, but
It's really sweet.
it's good. It's got a good, it's got a pretty good balance to it. It's not overly sweet, I don't think.
And I don't get a lot of like spicy tones.
Yeah. It's missing a little bit of if it had a little more spice to it. It actually reminds me a little bit of an ice cream,
Without the spice.
but without the spice.
Yeah.
But it's good.
It does have fiber near the skin and not much near the seed.
Yeah, that's a weird combo.
But anyway, I mean, if I had this tree, I wouldn't take it out.
No, it's a smaller mango. Well, it's probably maybe even has some parentage with the ice cream. Some.
No, you tend to guess a lot.
I
of
do,
that stuff.
but I mean, it's also sized and shaped a little bit like that.
I don't know if they're always that small.
Oh, okay, that's true. I kind of remember. I thought I remembered
I thought
we
they were
had
a little bit
bigger
bigger,
one, maybe.
yeah.
But
Yeah, that was good.
but it's good. I mean, I would give that one. I would give that one a solid 8.5.
I was gonna say 8.5 or 9.
Yeah.
And again, it's one mango that someone picked, who they said
Don't know too much about it.
it was picked
so,
a little earlier than they normally would pick them. So for it
So,
still to be good, and it's been like I think over a week.
Yeah, it was
And
good and
probably
solid. It
got
was
soft,
ready. All right, well, that was O15. Hope you enjoyed it. We did. And we'll see you next time.
Help me sing my mango song. Mango.